Okay guys, this is how to use the new jack. You set the air at 120 PSI. Say right about there. And then we'll walk over to the jack. I'll show you. So here's the new jack. This is a 747. This is the tallest adapter we have. Just pull it out and you slide it in. You got to use the tallest adapter available to be able to slide it under the aircraft. So we're using the lower part of the jack so we get a 100-ton jack in capacity. So I'll slide the jack in now. Right there. And Charlie, come up here so they can see this. So to jack this is all you do is you turn this to rise, and also you have to have air hooked to this to retract it, because that's what sucks the cylinder back in. So you always have to have air going to this 120 psi. This is an overpressure valve for 150 psi. It'll pop if you go too high. So here we go. We're going to jack this aircraft now, and you can see it so everybody knows how to use it. All right, here we go. All right guys, we're off the ground, and so now change your tire or whatever you have to do, brake, and then to come back down you have to put this to fall, and you have to have air on it to drive it down.
Let it go down all the way, please.
Be sure the jack's retracted all the way, guys, and you should be able to pull it right out then after it's done. Okay, we're down all the way.
Yes. Yeah, hold position.
Put it in stop.